Hey everybody, welcome back. Got another video for you guys today. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe out there. It's up to us to stop the spread of this disease, this virus. Sorry. We need to be responsible. Wash our hands. Use common sense. I mean, don't touch your face. Wash your hands as often as you can, and do your due diligence. But anyways, enough of me rambling on what I think you should do, because I'm no expert by any means. But anyways, I decided that I would use my spare time, since I've been out of work now for over a month, to 3D print respirators for the local hospitals. My goal is to print 100 of these. I might go more. We'll see. I don't have any budget for this, really. So I'm hand making all this stuff by myself in my kitchen, 3D printing out all the parts. I'm making the filters myself from vacuum cleaner bags that are HEPA filters. So I've got a little box of those over here. And this is my little assembly line. I've got many parts. So here's a respirator that's basically completed. It's missing the seal around the face part. And then the straps, the elastic straps, which are on order, and they should be here by the end of the month, but we'll see. My cousin suggested that I reopen my Patreon account to see if anybody wanted to donate to help my cause. I'm probably going to do that, as I'm going to run out of money for doing this very shortly. But you can see the printers hard at work over here. These guys are freaking awesome. These are CR10S models. They have a build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters. And they can print very high quality, and they do a great job, at least for me, with the things that I've printed and created. But back to the respirators. Now, I did not design these, so I can't take credit for that. If you go to makermask.com, you can learn about these. So these work just like the real thing. They have flapper valves, two-way flapper valve, or one-way flapper valves here, and then on the insides there as well. And I printed out all those parts. Those are 0.1 millimeters in thickness. And it takes about 7 hours to print out one complete mask. That's this piece, the large piece, usually about 5 hours, depending on the settings that you choose for yours. I'm not going to recommend any settings, because every single one of my printers are the same, but they have different settings on them, as they are all unique in that aspect. So if you're doing this at home, you'll just have to do your own trial and error. Start with the suggestions on the PDF file that comes with this if you download it, makermask.com. But yeah, if you can help out in any way, you guys, we should work together helping, if you have the ability. I have both the ability and the time to do this. I just don't have the money to keep doing it. So I'm going to do as much as I can until I run out, because that's what we should do. And I hope I can set an example going forward for other folks. So, and I'm not telling anybody what to do. Do what you want to do. Obviously the coronavirus, whatever you want to call it, COVID-19, CCP virus, the virus does not care what country you're from. It doesn't care about your politics. It doesn't care about your skin color. It doesn't care how much money you have, and it doesn't care how popular you are. We are all going to be affected if you're not affected already. Like I said, I lost my job some time ago. I worked in the entertainment industry, and that was one of the first large-scale groups of people to be unemployed. So my thoughts and prayers go out to all those people that I work closely with. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying creative. I know a lot of you guys are doing... You've changed the way you do things, and you're doing really cool live podcasts and things like that, or live concerts in quarantine, which is fantastic. So enough of me rambling, you guys. Started getting off on a tangent there. I mean, like I said, don't listen to me. Do whatever you want to do. Just make your best decisions. Do what your heart tells you to do. All right, so. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those down at the bottom. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other, especially now. We need to stick together.